And welcome to your midday sports. We begin with netball. After pouring in 302 goals at the Netball World Cup this past summer in Cape Town, South Africa, Sunshine Girls captain Janelle Fowler was earlier today named in the World Cup team of the tournament. Fowler guided the Sunshine Girls to a bronze medal at the tournament, their first podium finish since 2007. She's the only Jamaican in the seven that has 4 Australians: Courtney Bruce, Jamie Lee Price, Ash Brazel and Liz Watson, and 2 English women, Fran Williams and Helen Housby. Australia claimed their 12th gold medal following a 61-45 victory over England. A brace from Shaquille Bradford carried Jamaica's Harbour View to a 3-2 come-from-behind victory over Suriname's Robin Hood FC in Group B action in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup on Wednesday night at the National Stadium. It was Robin Hood who took the lead in the 33rd minute through their talisman Shaquille Cairo. However, Harbour View would find the equaliser through Omar Thompson, who made it 1-1 in first half added time. Jamilio Ritgers restored Robin Hood's lead from the penalty spot in the 50th minute as he made it 2-1. But Bradford would ensure Harbour View once again found the equaliser in the 55th minute. He then beat the offside trap in the 69th minute to send the Stars of the East into the lead at the 3-2 margin. That's how it remained as Harbour View moved atop the table in Group B on 7 points, 1 more than Robin Hood. Another Jamaican team, Dunbeholden, will take on, or they're at the foot of the table with 1 point. They will square off with Cibao of Dominican Republic today at the National Stadium starting at 7 p.m. Host and Zone F leaders Manchester High with a 2-1 lead over Bel-Air High from yesterday will look to close out their encounter today that was postponed due to rain with 30 minutes to play in the Issa da Costa Cup competition. The game is set to restart at 3 p.m. Another unfinished game from yesterday will resume today in the zone with Mayday High holding a 3-0 lead over the Carteret College. That match resumes at 2:30. So too will Mount St. Joseph and Cross Keys, who are 0-0. And over in the east, Paul Bogle will oppose Yallas High in Zone K. That match kicks off at 3:30. And the West Indies women began their tour of Australia with a 4-wicket victory over a New South Wales 11 in a T20 encounter in Sydney today. Karishma Ramharak 3 for 12 along with captain Hayley Matthews 2 for 7 and Alia Alain 2 for 13 helped to restrict the New South Wales 11 to 105 for 9. In pursuit, wicketkeeper Shemaine Campbell with 33 from 34 balls and Matthews 24 took the visitors home at 106 for 6 with 13 balls to spare. The Windies slipped to 74 for 6, but Alain 19 and Zayda James 15 guided the chase in the end. Jamaicans Stefani Taylor and Rashada Williams each made 3-ball ducks, while another Jamaican, Chanel Henry, made 2. The Windies women will play 3 T20 internationals and 3 one-day internationals against Australia. The first T20 is Saturday night in Sydney. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.